Have you ever wondered why some people seem to attract success while others constantly struggle? Could it be more than just luck or hard work? Perhaps there's a cosmic law at play, subtly shaping our reality. Welcome to the intriguing concept of the law of attraction, a principle that suggests we have the power to influence our own experiences. This video will break down this age-old concept, explaining how it works and how it could possibly transform your life. Today, we delve into the fascinating world of the law of attraction. To understand the law of attraction, imagine being a human magnet, pulling into your life what you think about and focus on. Now let's break it down. The law of attraction is a philosophy suggesting that positive or negative thoughts bring positive or negative experiences into a person's life. It's about energy and vibrations. Everything in our universe vibrates, moving at a certain rhythm. Your thoughts, your emotions, your physical being, all vibrate. They're all forms of energy. When you think a thought, you're sending out that energy into the universe. It's like you're casting a signal, a frequency, and the universe is the ultimate radio receiver. It picks up on your frequency and tunes into it. And just like a radio, the universe responds by giving you more of what you're tuned into. If you're tuned into joy and positivity, you'll receive experiences that match that frequency. Conversely, if you're tuned into fear and negativity, that's the frequency the universe will respond to. Our thoughts and emotions are powerful tools in shaping our reality. They're not just abstract concepts floating around in our heads. They're real, tangible forces that can influence the world around us. They send out a certain frequency to the universe, and the universe responds in kind. You see, the law of attraction isn't about wishful thinking or magic. It's about understanding the power of your thoughts and emotions. It's about recognizing that you have the power to shape your experiences. You're not just a passive observer in your life. You're an active participant. You have the ability to attract the experiences you want and repel the ones you don't. In essence, the law of attraction states that you will attract into your life whatever you focus on and think about, whether positive or negative. So if you want to attract positivity, you need to focus on positive thoughts. And if you want to avoid negativity, you need to steer clear of negative thoughts. It's as simple and as complex as that. Now that we understand the basic concept, what are the key points we need to remember about the law of attraction? First and foremost, the law of attraction operates on the principle that like attracts like. This means that the energy you put out, whether it's positive or negative, is the same energy you'll attract back into your life. So if you're radiating positivity, you'll attract positive experiences. On the flip side, if you're exuding negativity, you're likely to draw in negative circumstances. This brings us to the second key point, the importance of positive thinking. Positive thoughts serve as a magnet for positive experiences. The law of attraction doesn't distinguish between what you want and what you don't want. It simply responds to your thoughts and feelings. Therefore, focusing your thoughts on what you want rather than what you don't want is crucial for attracting the right things into your life. Next, let's talk about emotional alignment. It's not enough to just think positive thoughts. You also need to feel positive. Emotions are powerful signals to the universe, and being in tune with your positive emotions can significantly amplify your manifestations. Another cornerstone of the law of attraction is visualization. It's one thing to know what you want, but visualizing it, picturing it in your mind as if it's already happened, can help bring it to fruition. Visualization gives a clear and specific target for your energy to align with. Lastly, belief is the key that unlocks the power of the law of attraction. You need to truly believe in your ability to manifest your desires. Doubt or skepticism can block the flow of positive energy, while belief can help you open the door to endless possibilities. These are the crucial elements of the law of attraction, but how do we apply them? Scene script. Knowing about the law of attraction is one thing, but how can we practically use it in our lives? Let's dive into the practical steps to truly harness this powerful law. The first step is setting clear goals. Imagine you're a sailor setting out on a voyage. Without a destination in mind, you'll find yourself adrift, subject to the whims of the wind and current. Similarly, without clear goals, our thoughts and emotions may drift aimlessly. So, it's essential to have a clear vision of what you want to achieve, to give your thoughts a focused direction. Next, maintain a positive attitude. The law of attraction is a lot like a mirror. It reflects back what we put into it. If we project positivity, we attract positive experiences. If we let negativity creep in, we may attract negative circumstances. It's not always easy to stay positive, especially when life throws curveballs our way. But remember, the law of attraction doesn't distinguish between good and bad thoughts. It simply responds to whatever energy we are projecting. Now, let's talk about visualization techniques. These can be a game changer. Visualization is the practice of creating a mental image of your desired outcome. It's like creating a movie in your mind where you're the star, and everything is unfolding just as you want it to. This isn't about daydreaming or wishful thinking. It's about experiencing your success in your mind's eye before it manifests in reality. Finally, don't forget to practice gratitude. Gratitude is the key that unlocks the fullness of life. It turns what we have into enough and more. By appreciating what we already have, we shift our focus from lack to abundance. This shift in perspective sends a powerful message to the universe that we're ready to receive more. By consciously applying these steps, we can harness the power of the law of attraction to manifest our desires. So, let's set clear goals, stay positive, visualize our success, and practice gratitude. Together, we can turn our dreams into reality. So are you ready to become a magnet for your desires? We've journeyed through the essence of the law of attraction, its key elements and practical applications. Envision the enormous potential it holds for enhancing your personal and professional life. Imagine attracting success, happiness, and fulfillment simply by aligning your thoughts and actions. Remember, the law of attraction is always at work, so why not make it work for you? Start today and attract the life you've always dreamed of.